something like he too tight. He too stiff. I think it'll be it's a good fight for Floyd, you know. It's a good fight for Floyd, you know, Berto, you know. Yeah, I mean, I look at it, I mean, of course I think Floyd's gonna win, you know. But at the end of the day, you know, no matter who it is, you can't take anybody lightly. Floyd know that, you know. It's just, I'm just happy to be able to witness history, you know, to be able to see Floyd, you know, go out on top.
Right. Berto, good fighter. You know what I mean? Like, especially Berto of old, but Floyd just a genius in the ring. That's all I can tell you. Floyd probably by stoppage, you know, if not by easy, unanimous decision. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. See Robinson.
Floyd.
Why so?
Why so? Undefeated speaks for itself.
Easy fight. I don't see what Berto gonna bring to the table to destroy Mayweather. I mean, it's just gonna be. I think Mayweather gonna try to knock him out. That's what I think.
I like Floyd.
Why that?
Floyd should dominate the fight. You know, he'll dominate the fight with his boxing experience.
It's going to be a good fight. Berto got a chance to do something no man's ever done. And Mayweather got a chance to do something no fighter have done since Rocky Marciano. So it's going to be great.
Berto. That's what it is.
Who wins?
That's what it is. Who wins? Money May all day. Money May all day. Experience, you know what I'm saying, always wins. Especially in this case.
Floyd, obviously. He's just more educated, more experienced. Floyd.
Another ass whipping Mr. Mayweather's making his ass.
Hey, Mayweather all the way. You know, you can't be 48 and old. He's the best in the world.
Berto, who wins the fight?
You know, Floyd gonna win. You know, Floyd, TV. That's everybody know he's gonna win. He know he's gonna win. Berto know he's gonna win.
Mayweather, Berto.
Man, you know what? It's gonna be a good fight. You know, Bert is my boy. We grew up together, came to the Amazon together. Bert is my boy. You can't count him out because he's a big puncher. Berto has quick hands. I'm sorry, Berto has fast hands. Floyd's quick. So if Berto box and be smart, it could be a great fight. You know, Berto can't let Floyd manipulate him with his mind. And
Berto, quick prediction.
I got Floyd by unanimous decision.
Prediction, Mayweather, Berto.
Well, I mean, Berto's a very good fighter. I mean, he's been